Imagine waking up in the middle of the night with a nagging cough that just wouldn't let you sleep. Picture this. I'm there, tired and desperate, reaching for a warm cup of chamomile tea. The soothing warmth, the gentle aroma, it's like a lullaby for my throat. That immediate relief sparked a curiosity about the power packed into these humble herbal brews. Was this just a fluke, or was there something more to these teas? And that's how my journey into the world of herbal teas began. Herbal teas are not just about taste, they come packed with potential health benefits. Journey with me now into the world of herbal teas, a realm where leaves, flowers, seeds, or roots steep in hot water, releasing flavors and compounds that might have a beneficial impact on our health. Let's start with chamomile tea. Renowned for its calming properties, chamomile is a bedtime favorite, touted to help soothe anxiety and promote sleep. It's like a lullaby in a cup, a gentle whisper coaxing you to dreamland. Next, we have peppermint tea, a bright and refreshing brew that's more than just a palate cleanser. Peppermint tea is often recommended for digestive troubles, acting as a carminative to relieve gas and bloating. It's like a cool breeze sweeping through, making everything right again. Then there's ginger tea, with its robust, spicy flavor that's a wake-up call to your senses. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger tea might help soothe nausea and aid digestion. It's like a warm hug from the inside, a comforting presence in your day. Moving on, let's talk about hibiscus tea, the vibrant tart tea that's a tropical delight. Hibiscus tea has been linked with lowering blood pressure and boosting liver health. It's like a dance party for your cells, a burst of joy in every sip. Lastly, we have echinacea tea, the sturdy flower-turned brew that's a staple during cold and flu season. Echinacea is believed to boost the immune system, potentially reducing the severity and duration of cold symptoms. It's like a shield, standing guard against invading germs. Each of these teas, with their unique flavors and characteristics, claim to offer a host of health benefits. From soothing stress and aiding sleep to easing digestion and boosting immunity, herbal teas seem to be a natural way to support wellness. But the question remains, do these teas really deliver on their promises? We'll delve deeper into the science behind these claims in the next segment. Stay tuned. To answer that question, we need to delve into the science behind these herbal brews. The medicinal properties of herbal teas are derived from the plants they are made from. Each plant has its unique blend of compounds that provide potential health benefits. Let's take chamomile tea, for instance. Known for its calming properties, chamomile tea contains a compound called apigenin. This compound binds to specific receptors in your brain that may decrease anxiety and initiate sleep. Then we have peppermint tea, often recommended for digestive issues. The science behind this lies in the menthol present in peppermint. Menthol has a relaxing effect on the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, which can ease bloating and other digestive discomforts. Green tea is often hailed as a wonder beverage for its antioxidant properties, thanks to the presence of polyphenols. These antioxidants can reduce inflammation and even fight cancer. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association showed that green tea consumption is associated with reduced mortality due to all causes, including cardiovascular disease. However, it's important to note that while these studies show promising results, they don't prove causation. For example, just because those who drink green tea also have lower mortality rates, it doesn't mean drinking green tea directly leads to a longer life. Many other lifestyle factors could be at play. It's also worth noting that while certain herbal teas can support health, they aren't a cure-all. No tea can replace a balanced diet, regular exercise, or prescribed medication. It's also crucial to be aware of potential allergic reactions or interactions with medications. Finally, the effectiveness of herbal teas can vary greatly depending on the quality and preparation of the tea. For example, steeping time and temperature can impact the extraction of beneficial compounds. So, science does seem to back some of the claims, but what about real-life experiences? Science can tell us a lot, but sometimes personal stories can be just as revealing. Let's dive into the sea of testimonials from those who've made herbal teas a part of their daily lives. The anecdotes we're about to share are real, representing a spectrum of experiences with herbal teas. Take, for instance, Jane, a middle-aged woman from Seattle. Jane started sipping chamomile tea every night before bed, hoping to combat her insomnia. She found that the warm, calming brew did seem to make falling asleep a bit easier. However, she also noted that other lifestyle changes, such as reducing screen time and maintaining a regular sleep schedule, played a significant role in her improved sleep. Then there's Mark, a college student from Boston. Mark began drinking green tea daily to help with his focus and productivity during study sessions. He reported a noticeable increase in his concentration levels and overall productivity. But he also admitted that the ritual of making and drinking the tea itself had a calming effect that helped him focus. Next, we have Maria, a retired teacher from Florida. Maria started drinking peppermint tea to help with her digestive issues. She was delighted to find that the tea did seem to soothe her stomach. However, she also pointed out that the tea was just one part of a broader change in her diet and lifestyle. Finally, meet Sam, a fitness enthusiast from California who turned to ginger tea to help with post-workout recovery. Sam found that while the tea did seem to help reduce muscle soreness, it was no miracle cure. He emphasized the importance of a balanced diet and regular exercise in his overall fitness. These stories show that while results may vary, herbal teas do seem to have some effect. But it's important to remember that they're not a standalone solution. A balanced lifestyle is key, and what works for one person might not work for another. As always, it's a good idea to consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. These stories show that while results may vary, herbal teas do seem to have some effect. So, after all the research and stories, what's the verdict on herbal teas? We've journeyed through the world of herbal teas, exploring the various types and their purported benefits, from chamomile's soothing properties to green tea's antioxidant punch. We've dissected the science behind these claims, diving into research studies and medical journals. We've even heard real-life testimonials, some singing praises of herbal teas, others cautioning us not to fall for the hype. So, where does all this information lead us? Well, it's clear that herbal teas have been a part of human health regimens for centuries, and there's a reason for that. Many of these teas contain compounds that can aid in digestion, boost immunity, and even reduce stress. Science supports these claims, with numerous studies confirming the beneficial effects of certain herbal teas. But it's also important to note that herbal teas are not miracle potions. They can't replace a balanced diet or a regular exercise routine. They're not meant to cure serious illnesses or replace prescribed medications. They are, however, a healthy addition to a balanced lifestyle, providing hydration and a multitude of nutrients. It's crucial, too, to remember that not all herbal teas are created equal. The effectiveness of these teas can depend on various factors, such as the quality of the herbs used, the way they're prepared, and even how they're stored. So, if you're considering adding herbal teas to your routine, it's wise to do your research and opt for high-quality organic options whenever possible. We should also keep in mind that everyone's body is different. What works wonders for one might not have the same effect on another. This is why it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. While herbal teas may not be a magic cure-all, they certainly seem to offer some health benefits. So go ahead, enjoy that cup of herbal tea. It's not just a comforting ritual, but it could also be a small step towards a healthier you. Now that you've heard my story and the stories of others, what's your herbal tea story? Herbal teas have been around for centuries, with cultures across the globe swearing by their healing properties. But every individual's experience is unique. So, we invite you to be part of this conversation. Share your experiences, your favorites, the benefits you've noticed, or even the lack thereof. After all, we're all in this journey of discovery together. Maybe you tried chamomile to soothe your nerves before a big presentation, or perhaps peppermint has been your go-to for digestive issues. It's your story, and we're all ears. And don't forget, if you're interested in more natural remedies, check out our other videos on the benefits of natural remedies. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.